Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness today. Hours ago, the Vice President of Nigeria, Yemi Osinbajo, was hospitalized and actually had to go through surgery. A lot of Nigerians were wondering if he'll be taken abroad. But right now, doctors have given updates on his status, how the surgical procedure went, if it was even successful at all. You're going to find out in this news. Then again, the president of Nigeria, President Muhammad Buhari, have spoken on what transpired in the primaries, the role Vice President Yemi Osinbajo played, and why he there's a lot of secrecy around a lot of things he did simply because of Yemi Osinbajo, and he mentioned the reasons why he did what he did and why he had to reveal it now. In a moment, we're going to find out all this and much more. So please, before we do that, kindly hit on the red subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get both subscribed and notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. Alright, let us start with why President Muhammad Buhari did not anoint Osinbajo or any APC presidential aspirant. Well, the President, Major General Muhammad Buhari, retired, has opened up on why he was neutral and allowed delegates to vote for their preferred presidential candidate during the Progressive Congress Special Convention and Presidential Primary. The president opened up on what transpired during the build-up to the party's convention on Saturday in Katsina when he paid a silent visit to the Emir of Katsina at his palace. Speaking on what played out before the emergence of the party flag bearer Bola Tinubu, Buhari explained that the delegates were given a free hand to pick him, that's Tinubu, in this demonstration in demonstrating the internal democracy in the party. According to him, party leaders initially gave me a list of 30 presidential aspirants, out of which I was asked to pick a candidate of my choice. The president said rather than pick or anoint a candidate, he allowed the delegate to pick the candidate of their choice, which resulted in the emergence of Tinubu. Buhari, who spoke in Hausa, said, I was given a list of 30 aspirants to pick from. Most of them were my ministers and governors. So, who would I choose or support? One of the governors even came to see me and asked, who are we to choose? If I do that, it will affect my vice president because he was also listening to our conversation. I then told them to choose who they want. So they elected Tinubu as APC presidential candidate. I guess you have seen now why Tinubu emerged as the flag bearer. But then the deed has been done. It would have even been much better if they had picked someone like Yemi Osinbajo, who seemed to even have more pedigree when it comes to both age and political dexterity. Okay, but let's find out the surgical situation procedure of Yemi Osinbajo, who had a recurring knee injury during his while playing squash. I guess he's a healthy man. But let's continue. Doctors who performed the surgical operation on Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, senior advocate of Nigeria, to treat the recurrent pain caused by a fracture in his leg have concluded the procedure and it was successful. Also, the Vice President is alert and well. Well, below is the statement released by the Duchess International Hospital, Lagos. It was done in Lagos, oh. They did not go to Dubai, oh. And I'm surprised they didn't even use Aso Rock Clinic. Is he not the Vice President? Or doesn't he have access to the Aso Rock Hospital? I think he should. Coming down to Lagos, why? That's the beauty of all those allocation they've been giving to Aso Rock for hospital, Aso Rock Villa Hospital. This is the right time to begin to utilize it. But I must say kudos to himself for not traveling to Dubai or to London, to UK, or even to Paris to treat recurrent knee injury. He went to a private hospital in Lagos, in Nigeria. He's in Nigeria, but they have to travel to Dubai always to make it happen. Okay, but let's find out what exactly went. The Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Professor Yemi Osinbajo, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, SAN, GCON, was admitted to the Duchess International Hospital, GRA, Ikeja, Lagos, on account of a fracture of his right femur, that is thigh bone, possibly related to a long-standing injury associated with a game of squash. He had a surgical operation performed by a team of specialist doctors including Dr. Wallace Ogufere, consultant orthopedic surgeon, Dr. Lahute, consultant orthopedic surgeon, Dr. Babajide Lawson, consultant orthopedic surgeon, Dr. Ken Adegoke, consultant in anesthesia and critical care, Dr. Oladimeji Agbabiaka, consultant anaesthetics, and Dr. Adedoyin Dosunmu Ogunbiyi, consultant physician and medical director. The operation was successful, and he is expected to be discharged within the next few days. Signed by Dr. Adedoyin Dosunmu Ogunbiyi, medical director, Duchess International Hospital. Well, it's good to note that our amiable Vice President is doing well. There's no problem anywhere, and this is also nice, judging the fact that APC missed a lot. APC missed a lot, because if they had, for any reason, picked Yemi Osinbajo to run for vice president, to run for presidency in Nigeria, and not Tinubu, honestly, a lot won't be happening right now. To start with, there won't be an issue of a south or southwest have a weaker Muslim, or southwest does not have original Muslim. The people that have original Muslim is enough. This is a southern Christian. It would like just be normal for him to pick anybody. He can even pick Shetima if he even wants. It would have been a balanced ticket. There won't have been any problem anywhere with it. One, two, all this issue of he's repeating wrong words, saying that laborers will labor in vain. If there's anybody who is quoted in his mouth, whose speeches are fine to the ears, is Yemi Osinbajo. He will give you, in fact, whenever they send him to go and do condolence visits, the words that come out of his mouth, like, you just be saying, oh, this man, oh, if not for you, because he has seasoned words. He's a pastor. Pastors have a way of saying things that will make you feel that is suiting to your soul, and he's also a lawyer. He's an advocate of Nigeria, for that matter. So he will have a way of, bringing Nigerians into his boat. But unfortunately, they used their own to rig out somebody that would have been a better flag bearer. But then again, the president himself also explained why he decided not to pick Osinbajo or speak on it.